Hey guys, have a hard time with figuring out ways to change the blades on your lawnmowers? Check it out, I got a pretty cool way. Alright guys, well this right here, number one, is where this comes in so handy. This XR brushless high torque impact driver. This thing is fantastic. And as you guys can see, I was out mowing and I was near fence line and I saw this broke on the ground, but by the time I saw it, got my lawnmower stopped, it already got hung up in a blade and just threw it across. So anyway, I usually change my blades once a year, or at least I'll go to an old set and get them either put on an old set that's been resharpened, or I will just put on a brand new set. These were old set of sharps, so what I'm going to do is I've got a new set to go on, so this is just a perfect time to do both, fix this wire issue and put on a new set of blades. This is really easy. Other than getting this wire off, this is an easy process to do. There we go. I had to do this just so I can get to the bolt. Alrighty, so now and it is just that fast and easy. New blade going on. I usually like to do these up by hand just to make sure I got it started good. Alright, now just so you know, on a Z950 there is a little lip right here, and this hole has got to go up around that lip, and you want to make sure this part of the blade turns up, is up on the side closest to the deck. Alright, so once you get that in, and it is just that fast and easy. Alrighty, one down, two more to go. So guys, I thought I would lay a new blade beside the old blade, and you can see the biggest issue is, see how much steel is missing right here and how this tapers back where this is nice and straight. This is, over time you just lose this and you get to a point. Now I'm not there yet on this. These could be sharpened for another round, but these are not expensive to buy, and so I don't mind you know, once a year, once every year and a half, buying a set of blades. I think it's been a year and a half with these on there, so you know, time is now. When I got into this, I immediately shut down my mowing blades when I saw it started going underneath, because I did not want to do anything to damage the seals on my spindles. These bolt to the spindles that go through your mowing deck, and so I'm hoping I don't see any oil, because these have grease in them, and I don't see anything yet, so hopefully I did not damage them. Alright, now I got the clearance to the bolt, so now let's pop this one off. Up. Okay guys, once again, the only thing that's under here is my arm. All right, guys, one of the reasons why I like to just do one wheel to hold all the weight, because it gives me so much more room and access. And what I'm gonna do now, while I've got it lifted up, it's crazy not to fire up that dude right there and use my turbo nozzle and go ahead and get everything under the deck nice and clean, get all the old dried up crud off, and that way all of your dead clippings will just go up nice and easy. Okay guys, I'll show you underneath now. It's all pretty spick and span. And also I like to inspect for rust. One of the things by doing this is you're not providing an area that can hold moisture because there's no grass underneath, so it makes your decks last longer. So obviously I've got the new blades done, all cleaned up. I've obviously got a mess down here, but that's a quick easy fix. So now we'll set her back on the ground, get everything moved out of the way, clean this up. Well, hey guys, the machine is clean, but now I'm filthy dirty. The hazards of pressure washing. Just kidding. Anyway, job's all done. Move on to the next thing. Since I'm on a roll, I'm gonna grease everything, change the oil. We'll do that in another video. So guys, for now, thanks so much for watching. Remember, here at Project Next, it's always one more. And guys, if you will, please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Sure would help the channel. Thanks guys, have a great day. We'll see you next time.